Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Permission to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Dimas Aditya Faturrahman with NPM 2241100X and my from class management 22A. Okay, nice. Here I will explain material about leadership. Okay. Definisi leadership. In general terms, especially in management, leadership is often referred to as leader. There are several definitions of leadership, including number one, getting things done, namely achieving results of other people. Number two, motivate other people to achieve the desired work result. Number three, leadership is influence, nothing more and nothing less. Number four, leadership is one word, namely influence, with man influencing, motivating, directing other people to achieve organizational goals. Okay, next. Leadership style. Leadership style is the way a leader behaves, communicate, and interact with other people in influencing people to do something. Next, Blanchard proposed for style leadership. Number one, directing style. This style is appropriate when we are faced with a task which is complicated and our staff has no experience and motivation to do a task, or when you are under time pressure solution. We explain what is necessary and what must be done in such a situation. Over communicating explanation usually occurs excessive, which can cause confusion and waste of time in the process of taking decision. Leader provide color and regulation, detailed process to subordinate. Implementation in the file must adapt to the detail is done. Okay, next. Number two, coaching style. Leader don't just provide detail, process, and rules to subordinate, but also explain why the decision is taken, support the development process, and also receive various input from subordinate. Still, this is only right if our staff is more motivated and experienced in facing a task. Here we need to give them the opportunity to understand the task by taking the time to got relationship and communication with the. Number three, delegating style. A style in which a leader delegates your authority, responsibility to subordinates. Delegating style will work well if our staff is fully staffed, understanding and efficient at work, so we can let him carrying out the task or work on his own ability and initiative. Leadership function. Number one, planning function. A leader need to make a plan overall for the organization and for yourself as a person responsible for achieving organizational goals. Number two, forward-looking function. Leader will always look forward, will be able to anticipate what will happen, and always be alert to responsibility because a leader must be sensitive to development in the situation both inside and outside organization so that it is able to detect obstacles that arise, whether small or big. Next, leadership model. These three leadership model can be described as follows. Number one, charismatic leadership is leadership that come from God's grace, where the leader has extraordinary ability, a strong magnet, and a strong emotional attraction from those being led to the leader. For example, Bung Karno, Anwar Sadat, Muhammad Gandhi. Number 2, transactional leadership is a leadership is to control subordinates by using power to achieve result. B. Manage subordinate by giving reward and punishment. C. Regularly implement mutually beneficial transaction with subordinate. 3. Transformational leadership is an effective leadership model that has been applied in various international organizations that manages the relationship between leader and follower by seizing several factors including attention, communication, trust, respect, and trust. Next, and the last conclusion. Motivation and job satisfaction are closely related in the context of the work environment. Motivation can increase performance and productivity, while job satisfaction creates an environment that supports motivation. Employees who feel motivated tend to be more satisfied with their job because they feel meaning and accomplishment in their tasks. On the other hand, high job satisfaction can maintain and increase motivation because employees feel recognized and appreciated. Okay, that's all my presentasi. I say thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.